Morning, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I've been going through it. And today I just need a really bomb ass self-care day. I need it so bad. Let's run a bath. Good evening. Noki! Arigatou. Do itashimashite. Oh my god, I fucking got it.
Sumimasen.
Sumimasen. Okay, let me enjoy my bath because I'm really trying to have a self-care day today. Hello world! I ordered a crepe from a local Haitian bakery. I already ate half of it. So I am in like the most desperate need of like some sort of self-care day. I hope that by the time I finish this video, I will look and feel a lot cuter than how I've been feeling this past week. I really just want to like kickstart into like newness and like just do everything that I was stopping myself from doing, or just like stop being so in my head. Like I just want like a life change. I just want like a focus on the future type shit, you know? Just want to say, for anybody having like a hard time, I know quarantine has been hard. I know like this year has been like so crazy for so many people, and so many people are having like huge life changes. And I guess I just want to say you guys are all really strong and that we're all in this together. I feel like something in the solar system really just like got everybody fucked up, in my opinion. I just feel like we're all kind of in this state of like confusion and like, what is next? What are we doing next? What is next for everybody, you know? So I just want to say you guys are not alone. We will figure this out together. I hope that maybe you can see this video and be like, you know what, I deserve a self-care day too, because we all deserve to feel good and to feel cute inside and out. Like I think cute is more so a feeling than a look. Like when I feel cute, I'm happy. It's not necessarily just like looking cute. It's like I want to feel cute. That's the tea for today's video. So desperately needed that. Like, oh my god. At first I thought it was gonna be more of like a workout type yoga instead of like a stretch and like meditative session, but I'm actually so happy that it was more of just like a stretch out the body, love yourself kind of vibe, because I really needed that. I haven't had like the motivation to just sit and be with my thoughts for a very long time, and now I feel like I thought about a lot of good stuff. I've been thinking about a lot of stuff these days, and that's one of the huge reasons why I even wanted to do a self-care day. But I'm kind of over these streaks. Like I've had them for 6 months. I've had them since April, so I think I'm just gonna dive back to my regular color today. I love the streaks, I do. I'm kind of tired of them. I'm very impulsively doing this, I just want to say. I actually just had this, so I'm gonna use it. It's the Deep Hue Gloss, or the DP Hue Gloss in black. This is basically like a semi-permanent dye. The streaks were so fun. I even asked on Instagram if I should get rid of the streaks or keep them, and majority said get rid. So I think we're all done with this little phase. I guess it doesn't have to be like super perfect, but I just need to get all of the hair. Do I want to get rid of the streaks? Oh, whatever. Let's just do it. I'm already this far. I reuse the same gloves every time I dye my hair. They're so gross, but like I'm not into single-use plastics, so we're just gonna use it. The reason I want to even dye it is because sometimes like I don't get such a chic look with the streaks. Like it depends on how I do my hair. I can only do certain hairstyles with the streaks. If I want to just like slick all my hair back, it kind of just looks like I have a weird dyed mohawk thing. Oh god, here we go. Oh shit. Wow. Okay, there's literally no going back now. Oh god. Bro, I thought of this idea 5 seconds ago and I just decided to do it. I should have just thought about it a little bit longer. I love it already. I really love it already. Holy shit. Make sure it's all in. Oh no. My mom is FaceTiming me. Hello?
You have a big, you have brown dye in your head.
Yeah, I know.
Napkin.
I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair and I'm gonna wash it and then I'll show you guys how I've been doing my new curly hair routine or wavy hair. I don't know my hair type. It's a whole thing. Every time I like think that I have one hair type, people tell me it's not that hair type. So I'm just like, I don't know what's my hair type. So I'm just gonna show you my hair routine after this. I'm gonna be using a diffuser and some new stuff, but I really need to clean the sink right now, clean my hands, clean my face, everything. Okay, so let me do that. Do you guys see this? I love it. I'm just gonna put in like a little bit of hair oil, just, I don't know, for some moisture. I can't believe my hair is all dark. This is crazy actually. It hasn't been like this for a bit. I actually just got this. It is the Foxy Bay Cool AF Heat Protectant Spray. It's cruelty free and I saw it at TJ Maxx, so I was like, why not? Let me just try it out. So this is the first time I'm using this. It smells good actually. I don't put like a ton of heat on my hair when I use the blow dryer, but I do put some, so I like to have some heat protecting going on. Then the queen herself, Gigi, recommended this, so I got it. It is the Curls Be in Control Curl Sculpting Gel. Gigi's videos have helped me so much with figuring out what to do with my hair. So I'm just literally going to scrunch this gel in. Gonna do a little flip moment. Okay, now the blow dryer and diffuser. My mom got this for me for my birthday and it's secondhand because she knows what is up. I'm not gonna be able to talk to you guys while I'm doing it, but basically what I'm gonna do is flip over my hair and I'm going to basically use diffuser on the bottom of my hair and dry it upside down on medium heat at first, and then after I've done medium heat for a little while, I'm gonna switch to cold because I really don't like putting heat on my hair. And I basically just do this until my hair is fully dry and has a lot of volume. Hello. Hello, oh my god. So this is my hair. Looks pretty cute, actually. It looks very different without the streaks, like this haircut. Wow. I like it though. I'm happy actually, I'm really happy with it. I'm still getting used to the diffuser. Sometimes it looks better if you just like shake. Better or worse, whatever. This is my hair right now. This is how it's gonna stay. Let's try this. It's fresh, it's light, it tastes healthy, but sometimes you just need that. Okay, so compared to the morning, I feel so much cuter. It's golden hour. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing how much serotonin this is giving me? Golden hour naps are my favorite thing to do. The weighted blanket with my cat. I just can't even think of something better than that. I figured I'd end this video off in bed and talk with you guys a little bit. If you're a regular viewer, you might notice some things are different in this video or in my house, etc. I don't want to make it a whole thing, but I just want you guys to know, like, I'm good, I'm fine, I'm feeling really happy, and yeah. That's all I kind of want to say about it. I am excited to like start a new chapter of life. You know, I'm just hanging out with friends, I'm seeing family, I'm just doing me, having a good, grand old Emily time. Yeah, I just want to reiterate, you guys are so strong, and I'm so strong. Sometimes I need to hear it. Like, I need to tell myself this sometimes, that I'm so strong. I really wanted to like do more in this video. It's just this is all that my body could do right now, because I think I'm just gonna nap. Sometimes self-care is a nap. Sometimes self-care is just listening to your body and listening to when your body is saying stop, just relax, just slow down, like take a moment for yourself. And I was really bad at doing that in the past, but now I'm trying to just like focus on me and focus on like how can I be the happiest person that I could be, how could I love fully, how could I have fun and do all of these things that I've always wanted to do, and just like focus on Emily. Like that's my goal right now, to focus on Emily. But yeah, I am strong, and you guys are strong too. Yeah, I guess that is it. I'm just excited to see where this whole thing takes me, into a new journey. I love you guys so much, and I'm gonna go. I will see you in my next video. You guys are amazing. Remember that. I couldn't do any of this without you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna go. Bye. Peace the fuck out.